Good evening, everyone. It is September 22nd, 2017. We're doing a quick personal box break for Kyle in the YouTube stream. Purchased a personal box 2016-17 Ice Hockey. So good luck, man. We'll just go pack by pack. Anthony D'Angelo Sub-Zero. It's funner this way. Jacob Tritron, 782 of 999. Okay, maybe we'll hold that pack. Julius Honka, 1279 of 1299. Fresh Threads, Jaspy Kapanen. Sub-Zero Ben Bishop. All right. This is a blank. Good luck, man. And the hit. Wow, look at this. 20 of 99. Patrik Laine. Ice Premier autographs. Winnipeg Jets magnet, man. Winnipeg Jets magnet. Especially Patrik Laine magnet, that is for sure. And there you go, man. That was your personal box of ice. JaspysHockeyLand.com. I'm Jason. See you guys next time.